AI has played a vital role in this century. We can use AI for programming, solving our daily life problems, and also for education. ChatGPT is one of the most famous AI chatbots, but it should be kept in mind that it is not the only one. We have many others like Gemini, and many more. We use ChatGPT for many tasks, and it helps us a lot. But if you are an ethical hacker, then I think it is of no use, because if you ask it something related to ethical hacking and penetration testing, it simply denies us. For example, if I ask GPT to make me a Python script for checking Linux privilege escalation vectors, then it simply denies us, saying that it can't help us with that. So, now what can we do? We need something to help us in our penetration testing and ethical hacking tasks. So today I have the solution to this problem. We have some HackerGPTs that can help us in our penetration testing. So, without wasting any time, let's take a deep look at how to use them and how we can take advantage of their functionalities as an ethical hacker. For installing them, just open ChatGPT in your computer, and then in the top right corner, you will see a button to explore some more GPTs. Click on it, and then simply search HackerGPT. After you will see different GPTs, click on the third one, which is an ethical hacker GPT. Then click on Start Chat. Now you can chat with HackerGPT. I tried it and it was very informative. Now let's test this. First, let's ask it to make a Python script that searches for privilege escalation vectors in the vulnerable system. Let's enter the prompt, and you can see that it is now generating the required results. Here you can get our script. Now let's copy this code and paste it in a new file to execute it. You can see that I have pasted it in a new file and it's perfectly working. Now let's give another prompt to give us some payloads for checking escal injection on a website. You can see that it is working perfectly fine, and it has given us some payloads for checking escal injection. Similarly, if you need some cross-site scripting payloads, you can simply ask it in the prompt. Not limited to these, you can ask it to generate your custom scripts and tools. You can change the prompt accordingly and gain your required results. Functionalities of this GPT are not only limited to scripts and payloads, you can also take help from this to make exploits, and you can seek help about different tools for penetration testing, like Nmap, Metasploit, and many more. This GPT could be valuable resources for the penetration testers, but ethical use is crucial. You should use these AI for ethical purposes only. Or you can test them on your own system, or the system you have proper authorization. Again, no tool can make you a perfect hacker. Don't be a script kiddie. Try to learn everything and try to make scripts on your own. In conclusion, AI is rapidly reshaping the cybersecurity landscape, and tools like HackerGPTs are at the forefront of this evolution. By understanding their capabilities and using them ethically, security professionals can significantly enhance their ability to identify and mitigate cyber threats. Remember, while AI can be a powerful ally, it's essential to combine technical expertise with a strong ethical foundation.